taking the back road again, because now it's like full fall colors. It's in full effect, even though it's 75 degrees today. It's supposed to be like 80 tomorrow, which is ridiculous. I think it's like the warmest day that we've had in like this time of year in quite some time. So that's fun. But yeah, I figured if I take the back roads now, it'll be really nice for like the fall scenery and the leaves and all that stuff. That's pretty cool. And I also know that you guys really like this road, so figured why not. I'm happy it's this warm because it's my day off, so like I get to actually enjoy it and make videos for you guys. But I wish it was October weather, which this definitely isn't. I'm cutting it a little close on time. It's probably gonna end up getting dark before I get home, which kind of sucks, but it's whatever. As long as I get some nice footage for you guys of like the fall scenery and stuff while it's still light out, that's what I'm aiming for. I also wanted to take this road because I want to get better at riding in general, like in terms of taking turns, cornering, stuff like that, which is the same thing, just words are different, but like when to accelerate, when to slow down, all those things. I just want to get better at it in general. So that's another reason I'm taking this road, because if I just stick to the highways all the time, I'm not going to get any better. But unfortunately, I got cars in front of me, so can't really be doing too much. But for example, something like this. Smoother. So I just want to like get stuff like that down pat, get better at it. I think I used to be pretty decent, but that's when I lived in Indiana and was riding on back roads pretty much every time. Now I'm pretty much stuck to the highway, so I don't get to do this too often. That person can't even stay in the yellow lines. Like, I think my riding ability kind of went down a little bit because, like I said, I haven't been able to be on back roads much. I've been stuck on the highways, so I want to get back into it, which is ironic that I'm doing it now because I thought it was going to be the end of the season, but apparently it's still summer weather, so maybe not. I'm not complaining. Because at this rate, with my upload schedule, I'm going to have every single month 2 videos a week throughout the whole winter. Except for December, because the reason December won't be 2 videos a week is because I uploaded a video that was the first one for the year, and I knew it was going to be the first one for the year when I recorded it, so I talked about it that way, I titled it that way and everything. And if I make December 2 videos a week, it's not going to be the first video of the year anymore, so it would just seem kind of stupid, to be honest. So I'm just not going to make December 2 videos a week, even though like the first week of it is. By the second week it's not, but at this rate, it's going to be the only month that it isn't. And I'm still into April with videos, so I got a lot of stuff made for you guys, which I'm happy about. It's not going to be a big gap or anything. You won't even tell I quit riding for the year, if that wasn't obvious. But that's what I meant. I quit riding in general. Not gonna have anybody in front of me now. Perfect. I don't see anybody behind me either. I I am still pretty unfamiliar with this road because I haven't been on it much, so I'm still going to be somewhat cautious because I got to learn. And a lot of these turns are kind of blind, so I don't want to be too stupid. Learned my lesson from that. But I am still going to try to like work on it, you know. ASMR with the fall colors. That's why I shut up back there so you can just hear the bike. When I get up to it, up ahead, the lake should look really nice with these colors. I mean, a lot of leaves are actually gone now, like fell off, but there's still a good bit. What is that? It's a raccoon. Pour one out for the homie. Gone too soon. Gone but not forgotten. I hope we don't have any deer encounters tonight. Oh, there's deer in the person's yard. Well, I think my plan has been ruined. There's 3 cars in front of me now, and they are taking their sweet time. Well, this sucks. I guess we're just doing this the rest of the way. Unless they all turn off. Look at that. What are the chances? And the car behind me is turning. Sweet. We're still going to go slow, of course. You want to be cautious. Nice Mustang. Here we are. Nobody behind me either. Good. Good. I could definitely get some good speed going once I have this road down and learned. I think I was wrong about the whole dark before I get home thing because I went a little faster than I thought. Right there's a deer in the corn. Please stay off the road, especially up here, because this is where they've ran out in front of me twice, which is why I'm going pretty slow. That's just wild to me that in a northeastern state like PA, tomorrow is Halloween, and the weather forecast is 80 degrees. When I was a kid, Halloween was always chilly. Like 50s was considered like kind of warm. Now it's 80. Dude, the ladies are gonna love that. The ones that wear the costumes, you know, everyone knows what I'm talking about. No judgment or anything. I'm just saying the weather is in your favor because you're not gonna freeze anything off. No matter how out it is. Oh, why am I talking? You know what I'm saying. I'm just saying it worked out well for them. I said that video was probably the last time I took the ZX-10 out for the year, but that was because I didn't expect to still be riding by now. So tomorrow I might take it out again because I'm probably gonna have 2 videos from today on the R6, and the past 5 videos have been on the R6, so that's 7 in a row. And if I take the R6 out again, that's gonna probably be 9. And I'm trying to like keep it diverse for you guys, like mixing it up so that it's not all like doesn't feel repetitive, you know. So I might end up taking the 10 out tomorrow, but this is my stop for this route. So it's gonna be it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I was just trying to work on my skill level that whole time and get better at it. But I also wanted to give you guys some nice fall scenery and some like bike ASMR, you know. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun. I really like that road, and I know you guys do as well, based on the comments. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.